Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Keep it charged and unlocked because you'll toggle permissions. Once done, open Settings and use the search bar to find Game Space or Game Assistant. Realme sometimes labels it differently. Tap the result to enter the game management area. You do this so the system can register apps and adjust background behavior. It's the foundation before you add games or enable optimizations, and ensures the changes persist after a restart. Now you add the games you want optimized. Tap Add Games, pick the titles, and confirm. Once games are listed, select each and choose Performance Mode or Frame Stabilizer depending on whether you want higher FPS or smoother output. Make sure to permit required overlays and floating windows so Game Assistant can intercept gestures. Also grant battery optimization exceptions when requested, otherwise the phone might throttle your game. These choices control CPU, GPU, and notifications while you play, balancing power. Finally, enable the Global Game Mode or Game Assistant toggle to activate optimizations for all added titles. Launch a game to confirm the Game Assistant overlay appears and performance settings take effect. Use the in-game panel to switch profiles quickly. If something doesn't work, go back to Settings, clear game space cache and restart the phone, then re-add the game. This resolves most permission or overlay issues. If problems persist, update the system and game space app to the latest version before retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.